Hello everyone, my name is Dimitri, Goldwell Color Ambassador with base Germany and hair salon in Braunschweig and Hamburg. This is my lovely model Renee. I will do a seaweed look with a splash of turquoise. So let's start to color and have fun. Minutes passed and I will rinse out the bleach. I will wash Renee's hair with Kerasilk Color Shampoo and treat them with Kerasilk Color Conditioner. This is the stunning result after blow drying the hair. Now we'll start with the main color with the seaweed green. I finished now with the main color, the seaweed, therefore I used Elumen clay. Now I will make the splash technique using Elumen, TK and all. Therefore I make the side part and exactly on the roots I will use the TK and all and blend it out. Let's see. I hope you enjoy the futuristic seaweed look as I do. For more amazing looks, go to the Goldwell YouTube channel. Bye bye, yours Dimitris.